Hi Rachel, I'm getting ready to pack up your fountains to get ready to go, but before I did I wanted to show you a little bit about how to set it up. This is your base. It's a PVC pipe. I've cut a slot in it to go through the cord for the fountain. On this stone right here, you'll notice when you look, I've shaved down the base right here because there's a bulge in the rock on this side. So I'll show you how to set that in there. So we put that where the cord is. This is the back of your pump, of course, of your fountain, and then your stone will go this way with this straighter edge in the back. So what you do is you put your pump in there, you line up the tubing, set it on there. It's not going to sit exactly, it just wobbles just a little bit, but it's got a good base. It's not going to fall. So we'll go ahead and put some water in. I have the pumps preset. This should give a pretty good little flow of water there. I recommend that you use distilled water in your fountain because tap water has the minerals in it. It'll clog up it'll make your bowl get white. It'll fog up your stone, and it'll clog up your pump. So I'm going to plug it in here and then switch it on. I have a nice switch here for you. Just take it a minute to get the water going through the pump, and you'll see it kind of comes up there. That looks really good. If you turn it on and the water shoots up, you just put your hand over it and that'll stop the flow a little bit. If you have a little part of your rock, your stone that's not getting water, you can just go like this, but this has got a really good flow on it. And then what you'll do is just take a paper towel or rag and go around the edge there. And voila, you're done. We could put in a little bit more water, but remember, use distilled water. And when you take the water out, you can use the tap water like I just did to get it set up. Then when you're happy with it, just put it next to the sink, put your hand on top and pour it all out. Get your distilled water, pour it in, and turn it back on. Okay? You bought the 2 best rocks I had left. So now I've got to go out and make some more, but I appreciate that. Okay, here's your other one. Here's the base like so, and your pump. Now this rock sits really flat, so I didn't have to shave anything. So we'll put this down here like so. Get this. I have this, the back is on the straight edge, but this is like a nice little slide right here. That's why I have that in front. And then all those really nice little, I love this rock. Okay, let's see how this one goes. Florida, going to Florida, guys. I almost think of these as family. I go out in the desert and I get these, and every one I see, I just like, oh wow, that one looks good. I want to get these packed up for you and shipped out. Turn that off. I want to show you just one more thing. Let's pour the water out. Okay, so if you're going to take this off the base, what you want to do is just pick it up a little bit, and if the tube doesn't slide right out, put your finger down on the pump and then pull it, because you don't want to. I'm really good on having these sealed, the cord sealed in the bowl, but if you pull on it, I don't want you to have a leaky bowl. All right, I'm going to get these packed up and see if I can get them off today. Today is Friday, so hopefully I can by the end of the day. And you'll be enjoying these the first of the week next week. Thank you, Rachel, so much for your purchase.